Hello students, today we will see what is a disc cone antenna. As the name suggests, disc cone antenna is a combination of disc and cone in close vicinity as sketched in the figure. It is derived from the ground plane antenna. Here, if you observe disc cone antenna, in this disc cone antenna we have this is a disc. This straight line will indicate the disc, and afterwards we have connected a one cone is there. So this antenna is basically a constant angle antenna. Constant angle antenna. And this which has a diameter of 3/4 into d, and the diameter of the cone will be indicated by a value of d. For example, the diameter of cone, if d equal to 1, then the diameter of the disc is what? 3/4 into 1, that is 3/4. Again, here this one is a cone and this one is a disc. From this side I will show you this will be the circular. This is a front view, so this will be look like a circular one that will be attached to the cone. So this will be of D and the cone is of C is there. So it is a combination of disc and cone, that's why it is called as a disc cone antenna. Here we have this is a conductor where we have connected the coaxial cables. This coaxial cable will be what? It will be connected to the inner rod of a cone or the center point of a cone, and uh, that conductor is again connected to the disc will be there. Here the angle between the conductor and the cone is what? That should be constant 30 degrees Celsius. 30 degree. The diameter is 2/3 of d. Here this distance, in the distance between the disc and the cone is, that should be d/25. Means if diameter is, this diameter is 1, so 1/25. So that should be the value of d/24. Here we have the outer conductor and here inner conductor. So for inner conductor we have connected the coaxial line, that is the feed lines where the signal will be transmitted or the receiver. So this antenna is basically used for the transmission and reception of VHF and UHF signals. Again, its frequency ranges from 12 MHz to 55 MHz. We'll explain it again. The disc cone antenna has a disc and the cone which is fed by a coaxial cables. The outer conductor of cable is concerned with the cone. Here outer cable will be concerned with the cone, while inner conductor is concerned with the disc will be there. So for inner conductor we have to apply the signals. So distance or the what will say the angle between the inner conductor and the cone is 30 degrees Celsius. For this one we will also call as a constant angle antenna, because this angle is what? Constant, that is 30 degree. Here we will see how the radiation pattern will look like. So this antenna is basically a omnidirectional antenna. Basically this is there, it will be act as a reflectors. So here we have the feed lines, so it will transmit the signal like this one, right? So radiation pattern, assume this is a disc and this is a cone. So radiation pattern will look like this one, that is omnidirectional, and this disc will be basically This dish is basically act as a reflector. The signal will not be transmitted beyond this particular dish. So we'll see important points. Again, dish cone antenna is a combination of dish and cone. The diameter of cone is d, while the diameter of dish is 3 by 4 into d. It will be also used for VHF and UHF transmitter and receiver antenna. VHF is a very high frequency and UHF is a ultra high frequency. Again, the frequency range for this antenna is from 12 MHz to 55 MHz. It is also called this one as a constant angle antenna. It is also necessary to maintain communication with the aeroplanes coming from any direction. Recently it has been used for high frequency band. Same type of antenna is used in an aeroplane. If you see the aeroplane, this type of dish will be mounted on an aeroplane. So this is particularly a dish cone antenna is there. So today we will see what is a dish cone antenna, then structure of dish cone antenna, what is the diameter of dish and what is diameter of cone. Then again the inner conductor is connected to dish while the outer conductor is connected to cone. Again the angle between the inner conductor and the cone is 30 degree. Dish and dish cone antenna is a combination of dish and cone. The range for the frequency range for the transmission and reception of the signal is 12 MHz to 55 MHz. It is also called as a constant angle antenna. Again, the one more parameter, it is a low gain having a omnidirectional. Means the signal will be transmitted in all directions, but the gain is also lower one. It is used in the very high frequency and ultra high frequency transmitter and receiver antenna. Thank you.